Years into the fight against the Asian Long Horned Beetle, the Worcester area may now be facing another pest who could have an impact on trees in our region. Our Olivia Lemmon joins us now with the story. Olivia?
Andy, first it was the Asian Long Horned Beetle, now it's the emerald ash borer. This insect only affects ash trees. The DCR says thankfully there's not too many ash trees in Worcester, so we won't see as much an effect as we did with the Asian Long Horned Beetle.
Thinking about watching the trees in Worcester. Replanting is very important, but also caring for these trees is very important. And this is another example. This was found because people were watching over these trees.
Ruth Stewart is talking about the discovery of the emerald ash borer in Worcester. The executive director of the Worcester Tree Initiative says they've planted 30,000 trees due to the Asian longhorn beetle infestation. The organization is now working closely with the state to prevent the spread of this new pest.
In other states, areas that have had it longer, it's a pretty rapid tree killer, so you will see ash tree mortality.
Ken GOOCH is the DCR Forest Health Program Director. He says the emerald ash borer was first discovered in Massachusetts in 2012 in the Berkshires. GOOCH says the insect has been traveling across the state and was found here in late November.
One thing that is good in this area is you don't have a lot of ash trees versus out in the western part of the state where ash is a major component of the forest.
Worcester DPW Commissioner Paul MOOSEY says so far only 4 trees are confirmed to be infested. He says it's not a major problem now, but tree loss is expected over time.
It's not really a problem that can be totally eliminated, so we're just going to have to try to manage it.
It's not a program where we're going to eradicate it. It's an insect we're going to live with.
GOOCH says unlike the Asian longhorn beetle, the emerald ash borer cannot be eradicated. Instead, the DCR will use biological control insects to kill the borer.
It is going to be a matter of time before that they get to coexist with each other and the biological controls can keep the emerald ash borer in check.
In the meantime, the Worcester Tree Initiative will work with the city and DCR to take preventative action like replanting more trees.
If something comes and attacks a certain kind of species, it won't wipe out an entire neighborhood again.
Now, because of the emerald ash borer, there is a statewide quarantine where wood can only be moved within the state so that the insect doesn't spread. But Worcester County already has its own quarantine because of the Asian longhorn beetle of 110 square miles. Andy, back to you.
That's our Olivia Lemmon reporting tonight. Olivia, thank you.